Hello YouTube, Gecko here. URLs on the screen as requested, and this is my channel. My work is based on 5 different fronts. Gameplay, where I record my playthroughs, challenge runs, modded campaigns and the like for different games. Memes, where I do funny dumb videos mixing and mashing entirely unrelated things in an interesting and unexpected way. Storytelling, where I bring into the audio-visual format characters, stories, and fanfictions that I have created. Art history, where I bring the behind-the-scenes aspects of famous paintings and curiosities about them. And the main dish of the channel, Battletech, where I talk about the lore, the mechs, the spaceships, the planets, the people, the weapons, the alien species, the tanks, the wars, the nations, the technology, the myths and legends, and everything else that I can about this little corner of the galaxy. For the creation of the videos, I use the open source program Shotcut. Here you can see part of the process of creation of the video, where I use small clips, PNGs and GIFs combined with a multitude of effects to generate the movement and dynamics that goes together with the narrative. The full process, which is composed by research, script, redraft a couple of times, audio recording, audio editing, video editing, rendering, quality control and upload to the site, can take from 8 to 20 hours, sometimes even more, depending on the size of the video and the amount of layers and effects applied. The videos with the full editing process can be found in the description below, and if you have any questions, leave that in the comments section and I shall answer them as soon as possible. That's pretty much it. Hope to have clarified any doubts. Thanks for your time, subscribe if you like any of the stuff that I do, and bye for now.